Hello, my name is Mayanka. I am accounts and finance trainer from UPLETS. Today, we are covering the topic of Ind AS 1 presentation of financial statement. We have covered this Ind AS in three parts. This is part 1, and in this part, we will cover objective of Ind AS 1, scope of Ind AS 1, definitions, and financial statement. Number 1, purpose of financial statement and complete set of financial statement. What is the objective of Ind AS 1? The Ind AS 1 is a standard which prescribes number 1, the basis for presentation of general purpose financial statements to ensure comparability both with the entity's financial statement of the previous periods and with the financial statement of the other entities. Is that Ind AS 1 presentation of financial statement is a standard which is prescribed the basis for the presentation of general purpose financial statement. On the basis of this standard, we can compare the financial statement of the particular entity of previous periods, or we can also compare the financial statement of a particular entity with the financial statement of other entities. This is a very useful standard for the entity because by this, when the entity present their financial statement, then by the use of this financial statement, the user can take the appropriate information which are important to know about them in the respect of such organization. It set out the overall requirements for the presentation of the financial statements, guidelines for their structure, and minimum requirement of their content. Is that this accounting standard set out the overall requirement for the preparation and the presentation of the financial statement, and it is also provide the guidelines for their structural and minimum requirement for their content. Scope of Ind AS 1. What is the scope and applicability of Ind AS 1? The Ind AS 1, the scope of Ind AS 1. Number 1, an entity shall apply this account, this Ind AS in the preparing and presenting general purpose financial statement in the accordance with Ind AS. Is that the entity shall present their financials, their financial statement according to the Ind AS 1. Is that the company shall prepare and the company shall prepare its financial statement by applying the provision of Ind AS 1. Other Ind AS set out the recognition, measurement, and the disclosure requirement for the specific transaction and other events. Is that the accounting is the Ind AS 1 is the standard which is contain the provision of preparing and presenting general purpose financial statement, and the other standards set out the provisions of reconciliation, measurement, and the disclosure requirement for a particular transaction or for the particular events. Is that on the base of Ind AS 1, the organization can present or prepare its general purpose financial statement. This standard does not apply to the structure and content of condensed interim financial statement, which are prepared in the accordance with Ind AS 34. Interim financial reporting is that the this Ind AS is not applicable in the case of interim financial statement, and the provision for the interim financial statement are covered in Ind AS 34. So it is not fall in this Ind AS. This standard use terminology that is suitable for profit oriented entities, including public sector entities, business entities. Is that this standard use the terminologies which are suitable and comfortable for the profit making organization and public sector business entities. If there is entity which is not for profit making organization, is that which is perform the activities not for profit in the public sector or in the private sector, shall apply this standard. They may need to amend the description used for the particular line item in the financial statement and for the financial statement themselves. Is that when there is any organization which is working for the not for profit, then such organization can apply this standard, and for the purpose of this there is the need to amend the description which is used for the particular line in the financial statement and for the financial statement themselves. Similarly, the entities whose share capital is not equity may need to adopt the financial statement presentation of the members' interest. Definitions. There are certain terms which are required to be understood to understand the accounting, to understand the Ind AS 1. The first term is general purpose financial statement. What is the meaning of general purpose financial statement? General purpose financial statement, which is commonly known as financial statement, are those intended to meet the needs of users who are not in the position to require an entity to prepare reports tolerated to their particular information needs. Is that the general purpose financial statement is a statement which is the very much useful for the user, because by this the user can know about the position of the entity. Is that on the basis of these reports they can obtain the information of a particular organization or a particular company, and on the basis of this they can obtain the information which are required by them. Impracticable. What is the meaning of impracticable? Applying a requirement is impracticable when the entity cannot apply it after making reasonable efforts to do so. Is that a requirement will become applicable when the entity cannot apply it after making the reasonable efforts. Indian accounting standard. What is the meaning of Indian accounting standard? The Indian accounting standards prescribed under Section 133 of the Companies Act 2013 is that Ind AS are prescribed by Companies Act 2013 under Section 133. What is the meaning of material? Omission or the misstatement of the item are material if they could individually or collectively influence the economic decision that user make a basis of financial statement. Is that the error and the omission are to be considered as a material that individually or collaterally influence the economic decision that the user make on the basis of financial statement. Is that when the error and omission which can affect the decision of the user of the financial statement, then such error and the omission are to be considered as material. Materiality depend upon the size and the nature of error and omissions, which is just in the surrounding circumstances. The size or the nature of the item or combination of both could be determining factors. Is that when there is any error which can affect the decision of the user of the financial statement, then such error is to be considered as a material, and the materiality is depend upon the size and the nature of such event or nature of such omission or misstatements. What is the meaning of notes? Notes contain the information in addition to the presented in the balance sheet, statement of profit and loss account, statement of change in equity, and statement of cash flows. Is that the notes is a document which is contain the information in addition to the information which are presented in balance sheet, profit and loss account, change in equities, statement of change in equity, and statement of profit and loss accounts. Notes provide the narrative description and disaggregations, disaggregations of items which are presented in those statements and information about item that do not qualify for the recognition in those statements. Instead, notes provide the description in the respect of those informations that that do not qualify for the recognition in that statements. What is the meaning of other comprehensive income? Other comprehensive income comprise the item of income and the expenses that are not recognized in the profit and loss account as required or permitted by the other Ind AS. Instead, other comprehensive income are those income and the expenses that are not recognized in the profit and loss account or not permitted by the other Ind AS. The component of other comprehensive income. The component of the other comprehensive income includes number one, changes in revaluation surplus, and two is remeasurement of defined benefit plans, and three is gain and loss which is arising from translating the financial statement of a foreign operation. Is that the component of the other comprehensive income includes the changes in revaluation surplus, remeasurement of the defined benefit plans, and gain or loss which is arise from translating the financial statement of a foreign operations. Number 4 is gain and losses from the investment in equity instrument, which is this which is designed to fair value through other comprehensive income. Next is gain or losses on the financial assets, which is measured at fair value through other comprehensive income. Next one is the effective portion of gain or loss on hedging instruments in a cash flow hedge, and gain or loss on hedging instrument that hedge investments in equity instrument, which are measured at fair value through the other comprehensive incomes. Next is particular liabilities which are designed as at fair value through the profit and loss, and the amount of that the amount of changes in fair value that is related or attributable to changes in the liabilities credit risk. Next is changes in the value of time value of option. It is also be considered as a other comprehensive income. And next is changes in the value of forward elements of forward contract. These all are the component of other comprehensive incomes. What is the meaning of owner? Owner are the holders of instrument which are classified as equity. Is that when there is any person who holds the instrument or equity, then such person is to be known as owner. What is the meaning of profit and loss? Profit or loss is the total of income less the amount of expenses, excluding the component of other comprehensive income. Is that the profit and loss is equal to total income less the amount of expenses excluding the amount of other comprehensive income. Reclassification adjustment. What is the meaning of reclassification adjustment? Reclassification adjustment are the amounts reclassified to the profit and loss account in the current period that is recognized that was recognized in other comprehensive income in current or previous period. Is that reclassification adjustment are those amounts which are reclassified in the statement of profit and loss account in the current period that were recognized in other comprehensive income in current or previous periods. What is the meaning of a total comprehensive income? Total comprehensive income is the change in equity during the period resulting from the transaction and other events. Is that when there is any change in the equity during the period which is resulting from transaction and event other than those changes which is resulting from transactions with the owners in their capacity as owner, then such income is to be known as total comprehensive income. Total comprehensive income include profit and loss and other comprehensive income. Is that total comprehensive income is equal to profit and loss plus the amount of other comprehensive incomes. Financial statements. What is the meaning of financial statements? Number 1, the purpose of financial statements. Financial statements are a structured representation of the financial position and the financial performance of an entity. is that on the basis of financial statement, the user can know about the financial performance and financial position of a particular entity. The objective of the financial statement is to provide the information about the financial position, financial performance, and cash flow of an entity. That is very useful to the wide range of the user in making the economic decision. Is that the main objective of the financial statement is to provide the information which is related to the financial position and financial performance of any organization, and it is also provide the information in the respect of cash flow. By this information the user can take the economic decisions which are relevant for such users. Financial statement also show the result of management sweat sweatship of the resource exhausted to it. Is that the financial statement will also show the results of management ownership in the respect of resources, and it is also provide the information about the utilization of resources. To meet this objective, financial statement provides informations about an entities. Number one is is that the financial information provide the detail of assets, liabilities, equities, income and the expenditures, and it is also include the amount of gain and losses. Next is contribution by and distribution to owner in their capacity as owner, and next is cash flows. Is that the financial statement of any organization provide the informations about the assets, liabilities, equity, income and expenses, gain and losses, and the contribution which is made by the owner as a capital and cash flows. This information, along with other information in the notes, assist the user of the financial statement in predicting the entity's future cash flows, and in particular their timing and certainty. Is that on the basis of these information the user of the financial statement can predict and can estimate the entity's future cash flows and their timing and certainty. Complete set of financial statement. A complete set of financial statement includes or comprise number one, the balance sheet as on the date of as as at the end of period. Number two is a statement of profit and loss for the period. Number three is a statement of changes in equity for the period. And number four is a statement of cash flow for the periods. And then last one is notes, which is comprising significant accounting policies and other explanatory items and informations. Next is comparative information in the respect of preceding periods, and it is also contain a balance sheet as at the beginning of the preceding period when an entity applies an accounting policy retrospectively or make a retrospective restatement of the items in its financial statement, or when it reclassify item in its financial statement. Instead, when an entity apply an accounting policy retrospectively or make a retrospective restatement of the items of financial statements, or when it is reclassify item in the financial statement, then the entity will prepare a balance sheet at the beginning of preceding period. This is included in the complete set of financial statements. An entity shall present a single statement of profit and loss account with profit and loss and other comprehensive income, which are presented in two parts. Is that the organization financial present a statement of profit and loss account, which are presented in two sections. One section contain the profit and loss information, and next is contain the information about the other comprehensive incomes. The standard shall the section shall be presented together with the profit or loss section present first, followed directly by the other comprehensive income sections. Is that these sections are presented together with the profit and loss section present first, and then after other comprehensive income section. An entity shall present with equal prominence all the financial statement in a complete set of financial statement. Is that a entity shall present with the equal presence prominence all the financial statement in the complete set of financial statements. This is this is Ind AS 1, and this is the part 1 of Ind AS 1, which is contain the topic of objective of Ind AS, scope of Ind AS, and definitions and purpose of financial statement and the complete set of financial statements. There are all there are many other topics which are covered by Ind AS 1, which are covered by us in our part 2 and part 3 of Ind AS 1. So, for the total understanding of Ind AS 1, kindly refer the video part 2 and part 3 of Ind AS 1 also. Thank you so much.